So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable the S Pen sounds on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Advanced Features. From here, tap on S Pen, then look for the option More S Pen Settings and select that. From here, you should see the option Sounds with a toggle next to it. And if the toggle is glowing blue, it means that it's been turned on. So now, whenever you are writing on your screen using your S Pen or you're inserting it back, you should hear a sound coming from it. So let's just insert it back. And then that sound means that you've successfully inserted your S Pen back into your phone. It's the same thing as when you're writing something, whether it's a screen off memo, or it's just drawing, whatever it is, you'll notice that whenever you start writing, then sounds can be heard coming from your S Pen. And so that's how you can enable the sounds. However, if you want to turn them off so that the S Pen is no longer producing sounds, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn them off. And so now your S Pen will stop producing sounds whenever it's writing or wherever it's being inserted back into your phone. And so that's how you can enable or disable the sounds coming from your S Pen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.